Hi, my name is Alex Carluccio with Gustan Associates. I've been doing mortgages since 1997, and I saw that whole big boom and that big bust. So let me explain. Up until 2007, 2008, we were doing these loans that were, I call them swear to God loans. You swear to God, we'll give you a loan. Basically what we're doing is no money down, 400 credit scores, and you told us that you made this money at your job, we'd even verify it. That was called subprime, and it got out of hand. People were buying houses and they were making $30,000 in 2 months. But what happened is it was like a pyramid scam. So people just kept buying until everybody just kind of ran out and they got tired and they came crashing down. Those subprime loans actually served a purpose, but it was abused. So it got abused because there was no skin in the game from the borrower, there was no analyzing their income, and there was no credit score requirement. So there's a new product coming back to the market that I think is doing it right, and it's the non-QM market. It's subprime with larger down payments, much higher rates, and they actually charge you for your credit. Your credit score will be a higher. If you have a low credit score and 10% down, your rate will be lowest. And if you have 800 credit score, 20% down, you get a better rate. So it's really pricing it right and for the risk. And they're not doing no money downs, and that's the big key. They're not doing, you can just state what your income is. I had people who made $20,000 a year saying they're making $100,000 a year, stated, and the bank would take it. It was crazy. So it got out of hand. So these non-prime mortgages are called non-QM, and that's where we're putting a lot of people who can't show their tax return money. There's a lot of people out there that make $1 million a year, but they only show $50,000 on their tax returns, and it's because they have all this deductions and write-offs, but they really have a ton of cash flow, and they really can't afford a house. Probably better than these people who have 620 credit scores that are going to 57 DTI on FHA. These people aren't even trying to go to 50 DTI. They just can't show their income because they have all the write-offs. So now non-QM came out with called the bank statement program, and that's great. People have shown $50,000 in deposits a month. That's what you make, $50,000 a month. It's unbelievably great. Another non-QM is if you're an investor, you own a primary residence, you want to buy a house, you can do no income, because what they're going to do is cash flow you off the building that you're buying. They're going to want 25% down, so there's not zero money down on this. So they got 25% cushion in case you don't make the payment. Not that risky, it's a great down payment. And then they're going to make sure that the building pays for the mortgage payment. If that's the case, you get the loan. So there's two sources of, they don't look at your income, but they're actually making a sensible decision and lending you the money. And you need good credit scores for the investment one. You get below 660, it's going to get harder and harder to do some of these programs. But they will go down to 500 on non-QM. Let's say you have a 500 credit score, but you're doing full doc, and you can go to 50% DTI with this. So they will do low credit scores. You're putting 10, maybe 20% down, and you have a really low credit score. FHA is not taking it. They'll do it. So they're doing low credit scores with larger down payments. So these non-QMs are stepping up and they're filling the gap with people who probably can get a loan if you put more money into it that Fannie Mae and FHA won't do. So ask your mortgage guy, ask us, actually, don't ask anybody else but us. Ask us how this works, and we'll explain all the programs, and it's a matrix. We'll tell you what your rate might be, and that's about it for a non-QM. I highly recommend it. It's a great product. We've got tons of blogs on this on our website. Gus has written a ton of them, so we talk about it a lot. If you want to look at all the details of our non-QMs, Dale's done a lot of videos too, so look us up on gustanshow.com, GUSTANCHO.com, or give me a call anytime, 630-915-7550. Thank you very much.